In the terrifying event of a nuclear detonation, those crucial first 5 minutes dictate everything. This isn't about avoiding the blast, it's about what you do immediately after, when survival is on a razor's edge. Shane here with Modern Warrior Project. We talk a lot about prepping for the unexpected, for that moment when everything changes. But what about the unthinkable? What about a nuclear attack? It's a scenario none of us want to imagine, let alone live through. But in a catastrophic event like this, your first 5 minutes are absolutely critical. They're not about avoiding the initial blast. For many, that's unavoidable. Instead, these 5 minutes are about immediate actions that could mean the difference between life and death. The window for maximizing your survival begins, not when the dust settles, but in those chaotic, disorienting seconds immediately following the flash. We're going to break down precisely what you need to do, the critical decisions you must make, and the steps you must take to protect yourself and your family. Because when the world changes in an instant, knowledge is your most powerful weapon. So let's dive into it. First up, identify the type of attack. Was it an EMP, a high altitude burst, or a ground detonation? You want to look for the flash. Even if you don't see the mushroom cloud, a sudden, blinding flash means you hit the deck now. If you saw the flash, the next threat is the blast wave and flying debris. You need to get behind the thickest, most substantial object immediately. Act fast. Get under a desk, in a ditch, or behind a concrete wall. Away from windows, glass shards become deadly projectiles. The initial blast is one thing, but quickly following is the radioactive fallout. Now, if caught outside, you want to cover your mouth and nose with anything, even your t-shirt. Minimize inhalation. You want to get inside under any roof as fast as humanly possible. Now, once you're inside, the clock is ticking for decontamination. You want to strip off your outer clothing immediately. You want to place it in a sealed bag. Take a quick rinsing shower if possible. That's without scrubbing. Wash your hair, but do not use conditioner. It binds radioactive particles, and you don't want that. So blow your nose, clean your eyelids. Every second that dust is on you, it's irradiating you. After immediate decontamination, you need a stoutest shelter available. Basements are ideal, but central rooms with multiple walls between you and the outside are second best. You want to stay away from windows and exterior walls. The deeper you are, the more protection you have. Those first 5 minutes after a nuclear event are truly a test of will and preparedness. It's a sprint, but it's only the start of the marathon. The immediate actions we discussed, confirming the threat, seeking hard cover, protecting your lungs, decontaminating, and finding a robust shelter, they lay the foundation for long-term survival. This isn't about fear-mongering, it's about being brutally honest about the possibilities and empowering yourself with the knowledge. Because at the end of the day, true preparedness isn't about hoarding supplies, it's about having the mindset and the practical skills to adapt, overcome, and protect what truly matters. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and remember, your ability to act decisively in those critical moments can change your entire outcome. We'll keep preparing, learning, and building that resilience together. Until next time, stay safe and keep prepping.